Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that powers motivation and reward. When it's off, thinking, mood, and even movement suffer. Motivation is the engine of change. The difference between knowing what to do and actually doing it is healthy dopamine signaling. Anticipating a reward and achieving it both raise dopamine. The harder the goal, the bigger the surge. This is why addictive behaviors feel compelling. Low dopamine shows up as low drive, poor focus, low mood, and greater susceptibility to addictions or quick reward behaviors. Overstimulation from phones, social media, alcohol, refined carbs, or porn creates repeated dopamine spikes. Your brain adapts by responding less to the same stimulus. Then regular life feels flat. Work, study, and relationships don't compete with the artificial, fast rewards, so motivation drops further. Excess or resistant dopamine also distorts behavior. More quitting, more junk food, more impulsive choices, and a higher risk of depression. The solution is a dopamine detox, a short reset that restores sensitivity and makes everyday life rewarding again. For 3 to 7 days, eliminate quick reward inputs, social media, video gaming, streaming, porn, alcohol, recreational drugs, smoking, ultra-processed sweets, and doom scrolling. Optionally remove motivational music during the detox. Brief highs are followed by dips. We're rebuilding baseline motivation. Replace external stimulation with internal drivers, movement, sunlight, deep work in short blocks, and simple whole foods. Support raw materials, L-tyrosine, dopamine precursor via food or a prudent supplement, plus B vitamins and choline from a balanced diet. Practice daily meditation or breath work to rebalance brain networks and vagal tone. Even 10 minutes improves impulse control. Eat when calm and sleep on schedule. Both stabilize neurotransmitters and make the detox easier. Engineer your environment. Grayscale your phone. Remove apps from the home screen. Set site blockers with scheduled access windows. If sugar is your trigger, stock lower glycemic sweet options at arm's length and carry a better snack so you don't default to junk. After the detox, reintroduce entertainment. Deliberately fixed times, limited doses. Never before priority work or sleep. Use effort-reward pairing. Train your brain to associate dopamine with goals that require work, exercise, study, building a skill. Result: higher baseline motivation, better focus, and more enjoyment from normal life without needing big artificial spikes. If this helped, like and share. Small resets, massive gains in motivation.